We tried our best to avoid any technical Buddhist words or phrases. And when we did use them, we did our best to define them immediately, uh, mainly in ending each reflection with Nembutsu, saying Namu Amida Butsu. It would be meaningless to our assembly audience. So we gave it our definition. And for this book, we took a cue from the Dalai Lama. When he was asked, "What is Buddhism?" uh, he responded beautifully, "My religion is kindness." It's so clear and simple that it needs no interpretation. My religion is kindness. Nembutsu, Namu Amida Butsu, is considered the essence of Siddhartha's enlightenment, and the heart of which is Amida. And Amida is a combination of Amitabha and Amitayus, infinite and immeasurable wisdom and compassion. For over 30 years, when we were active ministers, we would teach a Metta Padma class and explain to our 8, 9, and 10-year-olds in the class that Buddhism is essentially the teaching of change and oneness, of impermanence and interdependence. Truly understanding the reality of impermanence is the seed of wisdom, of Amitabha. And in living with awareness that this moment will never come again, moves us, we feel, to live with more gratitude. And then understanding interdependence is the seed of compassion. For when we feel connected, living with kindness becomes natural. When we feel connected, like with family, of course, we care. And we feel if we could feel that connection with the earth and our environment, how could we ever abuse it? So we define Nembutsu as living with kindness and gratitude. And not just this, the essence of enlightenment is even more. And we took our inspiration from the first two lines of Shoshinge, Kimyo Muryo Junyorai, Namo Fukashigi Ko, expressing Muryo Ju is immeasurable and Fukashigi is unbelievable, beyond expression. So we took those two words, Muryo-ju and Fukashigi, and described it as simply beyond words. So Namu Amida Butsu we defined as to live with gratitude and kindness beyond words.